It's Art Mania, and today I'm gonna show you that how to draw a beautiful heart. For starting this, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please click the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay alert to all my upcoming videos. Okay, let's get started. Take a marker and draw a small circle here like this. Now I'm gonna draw some leaves around it. Some big and some small. Now I'm gonna draw a curved line here. Yeah, like this. And draw another curved line like this. Yeah. And now draw another curved line. Now I am gonna draw an oval shaped eye. Draw a curved line here. And an oval shaped eye. And draw some smaller circles inside this eye. And draw the same one here, but this is a smaller one, as you can see. Now I'm gonna shade the whole eye. Now I'm gonna draw its laughing face. Draw its smile, and it's looking that it is laughing. Now I'm gonna draw its eyelashes. Also here. And don't forget to draw its eyebrows. These are very small. To make it more beautiful, you can draw some bubbles on its edges. A big one and a small. Now we have made our drawing. It's looking very cute, and now I'm gonna color in it. Now I have color in my drawing. I use oil pastels to color them, but you can choose any type of color. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Okay, have a nice day.